Alright, so this one here, this is the conditional operator. So this is almost doing a little if-else statement in a very simplified way. So a conditional operator uses a Boolean value to express an expression to determine which of two other expressions must be calculated and returned as a result. There's three operands, which is why it's called a ternary operator. Ternary meaning three times. Character Q, question mark, is going to be placed between the first and second operator, and a colon is between the second and third operator. And let's look at how this actually works. So this is the program that we're going to write here. This is going to be program number 7, ternary operators. So first of all, we're going to start off by making some variables. We're going to have A equal to 10, and B is equal to 5. And then we're going to do a console write line. We're going to say A greater than B. A is greater than B, question mark. I'm going to put up some text here. So that would be the first output. Second output is going to be quotation marks A less than equal B. So what is this saying? So let's comment this too, so we can tell what's going on here. One thing that I've noticed is that if you mess up on how you're writing your expression the first time through, it will not autocorrect it for you. So that's why I had to go back and manually correct a bunch of stuff there. So what is this saying? This says if A is greater than B, output So this is basically what this says here. So if A is greater than B, we're going to output, so if this is true, output this. Else, output this. So if the first expression is true, do this. If it's not true, do this. That is basically the whole conditional operator. Okay? So if A is greater than B, we're going to write A is greater than B. If not, write A less than equal to B. So right now, A is 10, B is 5. It should output A is greater than B. It should do this one here. So let's watch that run. And it outputs A is greater than B. Let's change the value of this. Let's change this down to a 4. Run it again. Now it should do the opposite one. It should say A less than equal to B. A less than equal to B. Okay, so that is basically how this expression works. Let's do another one. So the second example we have, we're actually just going to redefine B. And then basically execute the same line again. So this should basically flip it around the opposite way. Whoops. I didn't go back and change it. I need to change this back to a 10. And run it. So that's my two different options there. Now we're going to add one more line here. We're going to say number is equal to A if it's equal to B, then give a 1, else give a -1. So this is basically saying now we're going to define number as 1 if they are equal, and -1 if they are not equal. So let's run this. We get a -1. If I change this to a 10, I should get a 1 in there because A and B are now equal. And there we go. Alright, so that is the conditional operator. Okay, that is your program there. That is program number 7, conditional operators.